Hey girlies, it's Tammy. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're doing a review and maybe styling of this hair. I'm thinking to bleach it and kind of give it some like highlights, some blonde type of honey blonde highlights. I'm not quite sure yet, but I've been rocking it black and I've been loving it recently, so I wanted to show you guys the hair black before I went in and messed with it. So this hair is from Ali Pearl Hair and I have worked with them before. I love their hair so much. This is the water wave texture. I think it's my first time trying water wave from them, but I've tried their straight hair and I think their body wave or curly. I've tried a few textures from them and their hair's always been bomb to me. It's always super soft and the shedding is minimal, and I thought I couldn't love Ali Pearl anymore, and then I got this hair. This hair is beautiful. It is a closure and the closure actually keeps its wave. Can you guys see, like, the water wave texture is the same throughout. Now I haven't washed this hair yet because I didn't want to wash it until I was sure what I was doing with it, so I've just been wearing it like this for like 2-3 days now and I love it. I'm like a little bit skeptical about, you know, bleaching it and giving it highlights because I actually really love it like this, but I feel like giving it highlights will just make the curls pop even more. So the lengths that I have is, let me find it, here we go, I found it. Okay, so I have water wave 18, 20 and 22 and an 18 closure. So I only have 3 bundles in and look how thick it is. I didn't use all 3 bundles. I think I still had half a bundle left, so I used about 2.5 bundles. But I love the fact that even though it looks thick, it's so lightweight on my head. Like, these curls are so lightweight and very easy to wear. Sometimes when I get like deep wave hair, it will be so thick and so like heavy, and then when you go out in the sun it just feels like you're wearing a hat or like some form of helmet. But when I wear this outside, the wind is just blowing. Like, it feels so comfortable. The hair is super lightweight and all I do is just spritz a little bit of water and then I go in with my, it's called Keep It Curly Stretch and Set Styling Foam, and I think I got this for like £3.99 from eBay. I think you can get it from a hair shop or you could just use any styling foam you have already. Take a couple pumps of it and then just run it through the hair and it keeps the curls like popping all day. It makes sure the hair doesn't get too frizzy and too like big and puffy. So yeah, it does make the curls feel a little bit crispy, like a little bit, but nothing like gel. Like, it doesn't feel super kind of, what is that word, like crunchy. Absolutely beautiful. And for this to only be 2.5 bundles, like, girl, the hair is so thick and I just love the water wave texture. Definitely will be my go-to from Ali Pearl. And like I said, this is a closure, so as you can see I did put a little bit of concealer down the part, and yeah, that is how the closure looks. So yeah, I'm just going to process the hair and then I'm going to air dry it and then we'll be back to see if I did a good job. I really hope I do because I love this hair. I don't want to ruin it. Okay guys, so I'm going to start by sectioning out the hair. We're going to work in sections. So I'm taking, of course, the bleach powder and the developer. I got these from eBay. It is 40% developer, 40% volume, sorry. So it is a quick kind of bleach. It will develop really quickly. So I just want to mix that up until I get like a soft paste type of consistency. Now what I did start by doing is like applying the bleach to the comb and brushing through the hair, but I found that this coated the hair too much, whereas I wanted little bits of highlights, but this was kind of catching every strand of hair. So I decided to do a different method and take the comb, not the comb, sorry, the applicator brush, the brush that I was using to mix up all the bleach. I take it sideways and I kind of just drag it in random areas. So it's not going to be every single hair that has been bleached, but it will kind of overall lighten the appearance of the hair. Now, because I lightened the left side before the right side, the left side took a lot more than the right side. So I would definitely recommend sectioning the hair into 3 sections, maybe the right, the left and the back, and then work in sections. So do the right, wash it out, do the back, wash it out, do the left, wash it out. So the hair is developing for the same amount of time kind of all over the head. So I still like how it turned out, but on the right hand side it's not as bright and it doesn't have as many highlights as I wanted. So I had to go back in with the bleach and just add some more highlights to the right hand side, so it kind of balanced it out and it looked like the other side. Okay guys, and I'm back. So as you can see, the hair has been dyed. I really hope you can see it in this light. Maybe I should turn on all of my lights so it picks up. 1 second. Okay, so now I've got all my lights on. I hope you guys can see the color of it. It is this gorgeous kind of warm brown, which is kind of what I was going for. I like this side better because it's kind of got like dimension, like it's got some lighter bits, it's got some darker bits. But on this side, I don't know if you guys saw, I had to do this side again because I did this side first, and then obviously this lightened faster than this side, and it was just like trying to get them even, the stress. But finally we are at this stage and I am loving it. It's just a bit more summertime appropriate because it's a lighter color. It's just like a lighter brown, but it still has those dark bits as well, so it kind of gives it some dimension. The curls have held on beautifully, like through washing. Obviously I bleached it twice, washed it twice, conditioned it twice, and it's still really nice and curly. Like none of the curls have dropped, even from the closure. It's nice and curly. I need to stop running my hands through it because it will get puffier and puffier. So I think the hair has held up beautifully through bleaching and washing and everything. Like it does tangle a little bit when you run your hands through it, just a little bit of snag, do you see what I mean? Like a little snag or two, but it's nothing crazy. And even in the back area, it doesn't like tangle too bad. Like it definitely won't mat up or anything like that. And I'm just so impressed that the curls have stayed beautifully. Like I thought they would drop a lot more than this, but they haven't, and they look really, really nice. So yeah guys, that was the transformation of this hair from black to kind of a little bit lighter, like a lighter brown with highlights and stuff like that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Definitely let me know if you have tried Ali Pearl Water Wave and what are your thoughts on the texture. Anyways, enough rambling. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Definitely give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Take care. Bye.